Good day everyone. Today, we will be presenting our deliverables for database normalization and design. We started from 1NF, then transformed it into 2NF and 3NF. And finally, develop an entity relationship diagram or ERD based on the given business rules. Our starting point was a trip planner table in first normal form. This single table stored all the details about users, trips, destinations, activities, hotels, and transportation. While organized, the problem was that it had repeated data and partial dependencies. For example, the user's name depends only on the user ID, and hotel details depend only on the hotel name, but everything was forced into one large table.
To fix this, we normalize it into second normal form. In 2NF, every non-key attribute must depend on the whole primary key. This means splitting the large table into smaller, more focused one. We create a user table for user details, a trip table linking users to their trips, a destination table for cities and countries, an activity table for trip activities, a hotel table with hotel details, and a transport table for travel modes and costs. The result is that redundancy was reduced. We no longer need to keep repeating names, hotels, or transport details for every record. However, there were still some transitive dependencies left, which lead us to deliverable 2.
In deliverable 2, we applied third normal form to our database design. 3NF requires that there are no transitive dependencies. In other words, non-key attributes must not depend on other non-key attributes. For example, in our 2NF structure, hotel location and hotel rating were still indirectly dependent on hotel name. To fix this, we separated them into new tables: a hotel table for basic hotel information, a hotel rating table for hotel ratings, and a hotel location table for hotel locations.
We also cleaned up the relationships so that activities and transport were directly tied to trips and destinations. Rather than carrying repeated details, the outcome is that our 3NF structure is much cleaner, consistent, and easier to maintain. Each table now serves a single purpose and avoids unnecessary duplication.
Deliverable 3 is the entity relationship diagram. This ERD shows the complete structure of our normalized database and connects directly with the business rules provided. Let's connect the ERD to each business rule. First, a user can plan multiple trips in the ERD. The user table links to the trip table in a one-to-many relationship. One user can have many trips.
Second, a trip can include multiple destinations and activities. This is shown by the trip table connecting to the destination table, and the destination table linking further to the activity table. Third, each activity is tied to a location and a scheduled date and time. The activity table records both the activity details and its scheduled date, while linking to destinations for location accuracy.
Fourth, accommodations can span multiple nights and have associated costs. This is modeled through the hotel rating, and hotel location tables, which connect to destinations and trips for flexibility. Fifth, users may share expenses with co-travelers. This is supported by linking users, trips, and transport costs. The ERD makes it possible to track and share expenses across multiple users.
In summary, through normalization, we went from one big 1NF table with many issues to cleaner 2NF structure, and finally to an optimized 3NF design. The ERD that then tied everything together and ensured that our database structure reflects the real-world business rules of trip planning. This makes our system more efficient, consistent, and ready for implementation.